Hey class, this video will guide you through on moving your Lightroom catalog and your images to a new destination. Some of you may have purchased a new external hard drive to free up space on your internal hard drive, or you're just simply running out of room, and this will guide you through moving your catalog and your photos to their new destination. So for this example, my existing Lightroom folder called My Lightroom is not located on my desktop. It's actually located on an external hard drive already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it over to another external hard drive. So it's basically, in theory, it's the same thing as you would be copying it from your desktop to an external hard drive. Make sure your new external hard drive is plugged in and it is appearing on your computer. For me, that new external hard drive is called Instructor. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my Lightroom folder, which contains my catalog folder and all my photos. I'm going to click and drag it to its new destination called Instructor. In your case, you may be clicking it from your desktop to that new hard drive. Now, the other option of doing that would be you select the My Lightroom folder, you go to your menu, and you say copy my Lightroom. Then you would go to the new destination. In my case, it would be Instructor. That's the new hard drive. I'm going to go to the menu again, and I would say edit, paste the item. And when you paste the item, it will be the same thing as clicking and dragging it to this location. The copying has now finished. The My Lightroom folder and the catalog folder as well as the photos folder have been copied over. I'm going to go ahead and start Lightroom now. When Lightroom starts, it should be prompting you which catalog you'd like to open. In this case, you definitely will now want to click on choose a different catalog. You do not want to click on the previous options which was pointing to your desktop. Click on choose different catalog, and this is where you're going to navigate to that new hard drive where you just copied the My Lightroom folder. My hard drive was called Instructor, and then I'm going to navigate to My Lightroom, but then you have to navigate to the catalog folder itself, which should be called photo 5 last name underscore first initial catalog. This was created in exercise 1. When you create that catalog, it creates its own folder with the name you give it, and underneath that folder will be the actual Lightroom catalog file. It is designated as .lrcat, as in Lightroom catalog. That'll be the only file you can select, and you're going to go ahead and hit choose. You will see that it is now the first choice, and you can verify that is correct because it is now pointing to my new external hard drive called Instructor. I'm going to go ahead and hit open, and Lightroom will proceed to open with that catalog from its new destination. And if it's successful, you will see all of your images appear as they were previously. You should still see any collections that you may have created and any images within those collections. And if you go to the folder section, you may need to expand your hard drive source. In this case, my hard drive is called Instructor. I can expand it here by clicking on the triangle on the right, and I'm going to expand the photos folder, and I should see everything that was there previously when I opened it on my other hard drive, or in your case your desktop. So if everything looks exactly the same as it was before, then you have successfully copied your My Lightroom folder over to its new destination. At this point, I suggest deleting the My Lightroom folder from your desktop so there's no confusion and you're always working on this specific catalog in its new location. All right, that's all.